I've heard you on so many occasions say that Ndigbo are the problem the Nigerians are facing today. So, sir, could you please expatiate on this somehow controversial statement?
Yes,
Thank you.
thank you. Um, when Pharaoh refused to allow the Israelites to leave Egypt,
Okay.
okay,
Yeah.
the Israelites then became the problem of Egypt because of the Israelites, God had to punish Pharaoh and the Egyptians. Why? Because they refused to allow the Israelites, the children of God, to exit Egypt.
Hmm.
So what we have to Nigeria today is a political issue. It is a spiritual issue. Okay?
Okay.
They have similar thing. They are related. Because Nigerian government